Welcome to the StatTree video module for Factorial Analysis of Variance. To test whether there are differences between two or more categories on one continuous variable, the Factorial ANOVA would be appropriate. You will need two categorical variables and one continuous variable in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question A is categorical with two values, and B is categorical with more than two nominal values. Any one of the scale questions, 3 through 7, would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use question 5. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose race and gender as the independent variables and history as the dependent variable. To run the two-way ANOVA for differences, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for 2 of the 3 tests. As you can see, the test for main effects differences between gender groups regarding historical content in shows was not significant. Here are your other test results. You would report these figures as well as the effect size figures under partial eta squared for those significant findings. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like along with the reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.